Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Calves and Psalms. Today I am going to do Home Center's second haul in which I will show you mostly storage containers and some small cute things. So let's get started. If you want to buy all these items online, you can buy them from the Home Center app. I will be putting the link in the description box below and you can check it out. I have bought all these products from my local mall. First item is this silicone sauce bottle from Ranveer Bras collection of Rs 199. The quality of silicone is very nice and the cap also have airtight seal. The cap opens very easily. I usually use this for drip cakes. I would like to rate this 4 out of 5 because it works very nicely. Now a second item is this ice cream scoop shaped like an ice cream. It is cute but doesn't work properly. When you scoop something, the releaser doesn't work. I would rate this 2 out of 5 because it doesn't work for me, but you can try if you want. There are many other ice cream scoops which you can try if you want. Now a third item is this cute fry pan which works perfectly and you can use this to make dora cakes or small pancakes or even eggs. I would rate this item 5 out of 5 because it works perfectly. Do try this item. Now a fourth item is this set of 2 mason jars from Ranveer Bras collection and they look very beautiful. So let's open it and see. There are 2 reusable straws in blue color. There are 2 simple mason jars with blue check pattern caps on them. The seal is also good. Now let's see the quality of the straws. Straws are of very good quality and looks beautiful on the mason jars. I would rate this 5 out of 5. Now fifth item is the 6-sided grater from Ranveer Bras collection. The grater is 100% stainless steel. It is Rs 499. This grater is perfect for grating anything. I would rate this 5 out of 5 because handling and grating is very easy. Now our sixth item is this set of small storage jars with airtight seal. There are 6 jars. It is Rs 699. Now let's open it. Each of the jars are packed individually. Now let's take them out. I will show you one of them in detail. This is the one of the jar. It opens very easily and has an airtight seal and a wide mouth, and the main problem is that it is a little flimsy, but otherwise it is very good.
2.
I would rate this 3 out of 5 because it is a little flimsy and a little pricey if you see the quality of the jar. Now our seventh item is these medium sized storage jars from Ranveer Bras collection with airtight seal and other qualities. Now let's take a look of this jar also. These are also packed individually. Now let's take these out. Now I will show you one of these in detail. This is our medium sized jar. Same design as the small one with airtight seal, and it is little more durable than the last one. These jars look very beautiful. I would rate this 4 out of 5 because it is more durable. Now 8th item is the super cool set of 6 glass containers which I got in the offer of buy one get one free. I don't know if you can get the offer online. It was rupees 699. A very good price for these glass containers. Now I will open one of the set and I will show you. I will show you one of them in detail. I love the shape of this container. It is like a capsule and the glass is very durable as you can see, and the cap opens very easily. Very spacious and super cool looking. I will rate this 5 out of 5 because I love the shape of it and the durability of the glass. Very good price for such a good glass container. You should totally try this. Now our last item is the set of 3 hand towels. MRP is rupees 699. If your total amount or the bill is above 3000, you get them for 299 rupees in this offer. For this price point, the quality of the towels is very good. I am not sure if you can get the offer online also. I will rate this 5 out of 5. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.